The lifestyle of the Maldivian people is heavily influenced by the unique island geography, Islamic traditions, and the importance of tourism in the country. The Maldives, an archipelago in the Indian Ocean, is known for its stunning white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. Here are some aspects of the lifestyle of the Maldivian people. Island living. The Maldives is composed of numerous small islands, and the lifestyle of the Maldivian people is deeply connected to the surrounding ocean and natural environment. Fishing and other activities related to the sea play a significant role in the lives of many Maldivians, especially those living in smaller islands. Tourism. Tourism is a major industry in the Maldives and has had a significant impact on the lifestyle of its people. Many Maldivians work in resorts, hotels, and related services, catering to the needs of international visitors. The tourism industry has brought economic opportunities and has influenced aspects of Maldivian culture and lifestyle. Islamic culture. Islam is the official religion of the Maldives, and Islamic traditions and practices are an integral part of the daily lives of Maldivians. Mosques are important places of worship and social gatherings. Islamic values, such as modesty and respect for elders, are deeply ingrained in the society. Divehi language and cultural heritage. Divehi is the official language of the Maldives, and Maldivian culture has its unique traditions and customs. Traditional music, dance, and art forms, such as Bodu Beru, a drumming performance, are celebrated. Cultural festivals, including Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, are important occasions for communal celebrations. Traditional dress. The traditional dress of the Maldives is called Divehi Libas. Men typically wear a sarong-like garment called mundu, and a shirt called faili. Women wear a traditional dress called faili kurta, paired with a libas, a long shawl. These traditional garments are worn during religious and cultural events. Seafood and cuisine. As an island nation, seafood is a staple in the Maldivian diet. Fresh fish, including tuna, is widely consumed, and coconut is a common ingredient in many dishes. Traditional Maldivian cuisine includes dishes like mas riha, fish curry, garudia, fish soup, and hedaka, Maldivian snacks. Water-based activities. The Maldives offers a range of water-based activities for recreation and leisure. Snorkeling, diving, surfing, and fishing are popular among both locals and tourists. Many Maldivians engage in water sports and activities as a part of their lifestyle. Social structure and family. Family plays a central role in Maldivian society, and the social structure is built around strong family bonds. Extended families often live together or in close proximity, and there is a sense of collective responsibility and support. Environmental consciousness. The Maldivian people have a deep appreciation for the natural environment and the need for its conservation. With the threat of climate change and rising sea levels, the Maldives has become an advocate for environmental sustainability and the protection of marine life. Traditional crafts. Maldivians have a rich tradition of craftsmanship. Artisans create intricate and colorful handicrafts using materials such as coral, shells, and palm leaves. These crafts include lacquer work, mat weaving, wood carving, and traditional boat building. It's important to note that the lifestyle in the Maldives can vary between the capital city of Malé and the resort islands, as well as between different atolls and communities within the country.